How you can actually use this nasal spray is you first need to unscrew the cap of the container. Now, once you've done that, you simply want to prime it, which how you can do that is you simply want to shake the bottle a few times and actually just squeeze it to make sure some liquid sprays out. So all the ingredients are combined and it's ready to clear your nose of any mucus. Now, if it's a push down one, you simply want to push down just on the little flaps right here. Here's an image on the screen of the other bottle variations. And once you've actually primed it, it's important that we tilt it to the side when we actually use it. You don't just want to put it straight into your nose just like this because it's simply not as effective. So what you need to do is you simply need to turn it to the side, and if you want to go into the opposite nostril like I'm doing so here, and if you're going into the outside nostril, you simply want to do it like this, like so. Now once you're actually in your nostril, it's important you lean forward just slightly, just tilt your head slightly forward like this, and you actually need to breathe in as you are gonna squeeze this thing to actually display the liquid into your nostrils. So as you can see, we simply want to take a deep breath, and when you're breathing in just on the up part, you simply want to squeeze your bottle or push down on the flaps to actually use the nasal spray just like so. I'll do it. And as you can see, I've just used the nasal spray. Now, that's basically just all you do to use it. If you found this helpful, leave a like, and I really hope your nose gets the mucus out.